She's very close to my heart and we share a very thick bonding. She always used to help me out. She knows I was at fault in front of my parents, but she used to get beaten up by my father sometime or my mom. But yes, she never allowed them to hit me or beat me up for anything. The most painful moment in my life when she left the house. I've already started missing her and I will miss her a lot. I thank everybody show up for my sister's wedding. Her lovely friends, my father's friends, my mother's friends. Everyone was really enthusiastic. I bless her from core of my heart that she should stay happy. And Rohan is a perfect guy for her. They loved each other and they trust each other. That's what we all need in a relationship, love and trust.